Ayan. Go, gaganda rin madami. Okay. Ano pong pangalan ni Nina?
Siya Tagalog.
Nina siya. Okay. Si attorney. Diba? Dalawa yung short and may. Okay. Attorney, ano po yung message niyo for baby Anaya? Siyempre, pag lumaki na siya, papanoorin niya to. No? Ano po yung magiging message niyo for her?
Hello, Anaya. Wish ko for you. Sana lumaki ka na may support ng parents mo, and I'm sure naman na ibigay nila yung support. And also your whole family. Ninang and Ninong will always be here for you. She's a very pretty girl actually, and sana makamit siya ng mga matinong tao, support system that will guide her all her life.
Nina, ano po yung inyong gift kay baby Anaya? Pwedeng paki-describe without mentioning kung ano po siya.
It's a set of very practical gifts. Actually, first time ko din itong ginawa. First time ko ginawa na parang I created parang basket full of goodies. Something na magagamit niya and ng parents niya to take care of her while growing up. And it's a set of very practical gifts.
Wow, that's a very thoughtful gift. Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Ninang siya. Okay, next na tayo. Ninang
Karil po.
Ninang Karil, yung nag-pray kanina. Akala ko magiging Bible study na tayo kagad. Parang ganun kasi magsimula yung Bible study. But anyways, alam niyo po, baby Anaya is very blessed kasi, ang mga Ninang and Ninong, mga mabubuti talagang tao and magiging magandang influence for baby Anaya. No? Like Ninang Karil, no? You will teach baby Anaya how to pray. Ayun na nga, ikaw na nga magsalita. Ano yung message mo for baby Anaya?
Hi, baby Anaya, Nana. I'm just here to guide you, to pray for you, and kung trip mo maging artista someday, wow. Hindi, just gonna guide you sa kung ano man ang gusto mong abutin sa life. Yun lang po.
And very simple. Ano po yung gift niyo for baby Anaya? Please describe without mentioning.
Well, as you know, si Nana, very kikay po siya. So it's just another addition sa closet na book. Yeah.
Thank